People who claim Chinese is hard to learn usually mean the written Chinese characters. Instead of phonics, written Chinese uses pictograms and ideograms. Learning pinyin or bopomorpho makes you pronounce without knowing the Chinese characters. Compared to other languages, spoken Chinese is relatively straightforward to learn. There is no verb conjugation in Chinese. The verb will stay the same, not changing to other tenses. As a result, speaking about our activities at different times is much easier. There is no gender, no plural, and no articles in Chinese. Again, Chinese characters will stay the same, and you don't need to memorize another form of the same character. Chinese characters have their meanings and work as components. So learning them grows simpler with time. Once you understand fundamental Chinese sentence structure, you can piece together new sentences. If you want to learn more about how Chinese characters work, I suggest starting with Chinese radicals. Here's a video for your following action. See you soon. Bye bye.